Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Family. Today we're going to be making this delicious traditional family recipe of mine for Irish soda bread. So let's get right into it. First, I have 3.5 cups of flour already in this bowl, and I'm adding 2/3 of a cup of sugar. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm also going to be adding 1.5 cups of raisins. Once we have all this combined, we are going to move on to the wet ingredients. In this bowl, I have 1 1/3 cups of buttermilk, and I'm going to be adding 2 eggs that I have already beaten. I'm also adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter, or 68 grams. I'm also adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once those are combined, we can add the dry and wet ingredients together. Now we add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When your dough starts to come together, you can use your hands to finish mixing in the ingredients and form it before you put it in your dish. Now we're gonna put some flour on our hands before mixing and shaping. Now I've just added some flour to my surface, and I'm going to roll out the dough and shape it before I add it into my dish. And then I'm going to add some more flour on top. This is the dish I'm going to be using. I'm going to be putting the dough in here and pressing firmly so I can get the imprint on my dish. This is the finished product. Remember to grease and flour your pan. You should be cooking it for 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get this right in. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the Irish soda bread. It looks and it smells delicious. Leave a comment if you tried this and tell me how it tastes. I hope you enjoy. Bye.